Tired of your dog chewing on your stuff? It's a common issue faced by many dog owners. Whether it's your favorite pair of shoes, the corner of your brand new sofa, or even the TV remote, no item seems safe from these furry little mischief makers. But it's not only about the destruction they cause. This behavior can pose a real danger to our four-legged friends. Chewing on inappropriate items can lead to choking or the ingestion of harmful substances. It can also damage their teeth or gums, leading to painful infections or costly dental procedures. It's a problem that's both frustrating for you and potentially harmful for your dog. But before you throw in the towel, remember this. Dogs don't chew to spite us. There are reasons behind this behavior, and understanding these reasons is the first step in managing it. So, buckle up, folks. But don't worry, there are ways to manage this behavior. First, it's crucial to understand why dogs chew. Just like humans, our four-legged friends go through various stages in life where certain behaviors become more pronounced. And yes, one of those behaviors is chewing. You see, dogs chew for a variety of reasons. One of the most common ones is teething. Just like human babies, puppies are born without teeth. Their baby teeth start to come in at about 2 to 4 weeks of age. The process of teeth growing can be quite uncomfortable, and chewing helps alleviate some of that discomfort. It's their way of soothing the soreness in their gums. But it isn't just teething. Dogs, especially when they're young, are naturally curious creatures. They explore the world around them using their senses, and one of those senses is taste. You might have noticed that puppies tend to put everything into their mouths. This isn't just because they're trying to eat everything, it's also a way for them to explore and understand their environment. Then there's boredom and anxiety. Yes, dogs can get bored too. If they're not getting enough mental or physical stimulation, they might turn to chewing as a way to entertain themselves. Similarly, dogs may also chew when they're feeling anxious or stressed. It's a coping mechanism, a way for them to release pent-up energy or to soothe themselves. Lastly, some dogs may chew because of dietary needs or health issues. For instance, chewing can be a sign that they're lacking certain nutrients or that they're experiencing dental problems. So as you can see, there's a whole range of reasons why dogs chew. Understanding these reasons is the first step towards addressing the issue. It allows us to provide the right solutions, whether it's providing appropriate chew toys, increasing their physical activities, adjusting their diet, or seeking veterinary help. Once we know why they chew, we can better address the issue. After all, effective solutions require understanding the problem first. And remember, every dog is unique, so it's always important to pay attention to their specific needs and behaviors. So, how can you stop your dog from chewing on your stuff? This is a question that has left many dog owners scratching their heads. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some simple yet effective steps. Firstly, let's talk about chew toys. Dogs have a natural instinct to chew, and chew toys are a great way to channel this behavior. But not just any chew toy will do. You need to find the right one that suits your dog's size and chewing intensity. A tiny chew toy for a large dog might end up being swallowed, while a hard chew toy might be too much for a small dog. So, it's all about finding the right balance. Now you might be thinking, I've got the chew toys, but my dog still chews on everything else. Well, here's where training comes in. You need to teach your dog what they can and can't chew. Every time they pick up something that's not their chew toy, gently take it away and replace it with their toy. Over time, they will understand what's off limits. Remember, patience and consistency are key in this process. Another important aspect is exercise. Yes, you heard that right. Exercise can play a crucial role in curbing your dog's chewing behavior. Dogs, especially young and active ones, need an outlet for their energy. If they don't get enough exercise, they may resort to destructive behaviors like excessive chewing. Regular walks, playtime in the park, or even a good old game of fetch in your backyard can do wonders. Sometimes the chewing can be a sign of anxiety or boredom. In such cases, increasing interaction can help. Spend quality time with your dog, play with them, teach them new tricks. This not only stimulates their mind, but also strengthens your bond with them. Lastly, consider using deterrent sprays. These are sprays with a taste that dogs find unpleasant. Spray it on the objects that your dog tends to chew on. After a few unpleasant experiences, they'll start to associate that object with a bad taste and will be less likely to chew on it. While these tips can help, it's important to remember that extreme or sudden changes in your dog's behavior, including excessive chewing, could be a sign of underlying health issues. So, if you're ever in doubt, don't hesitate to consult with a professional. With these tips, you'll be on your way to having a chew-free home. But remember, each dog is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. So don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Stay patient, be consistent, and most importantly, shower your dog with love and understanding. After all, they're not just pets, they're family. Did you know puppies go through a teething phase just like human babies? Indeed, it's true. Puppies aren't born with teeth. Their baby teeth, also known as deciduous teeth, start to appear when they're about 2 to 4 weeks old. This is when the teething process begins, which can cause discomfort and a strong urge to chew. And it's not just because they're exploring the world around them, but also because it helps to alleviate the discomfort they feel from their new teeth pushing through. By the time they're about 3 to 6 months old, these baby teeth start to fall out, making way for their adult teeth. This transition phase, often referred to as the puppy teething phase, can be a challenging time for both the puppy and the owner. It's during this phase that puppies have an intensified need to chew. Their gums are sore, and chewing helps to relieve the pain. This teething phase typically lasts until the puppy is about 6 to 8 months old, depending on the breed and individual dog. By then, they should have a full set of 42 adult teeth. It's important to note, though, during this time, the urge to chew doesn't just disappear overnight. It's a gradual process. As the discomfort lessens, so too does the need to chew. Now you might be wondering, what does this mean for my shoes, furniture, and other household items? Well, this is where understanding your puppy's teething phase comes in handy. By providing them with appropriate chew toys, you can help soothe their sore gums while also protecting your belongings from becoming chew toys. Remember, this is a natural phase in your puppy's life. It's not about them being naughty or destructive. They're just dealing with a lot of changes and discomfort. With patience, understanding, and the right approach, you can help your puppy navigate this phase successfully. Understanding your puppy's teething phase can help you manage their chewing habits. And that's not just good news for your shoes, but also for your puppy's overall well-being. Not all dogs are the same, especially when it comes to teething. Like people, every dog has a unique personality, and this extends to their teething habits. Different breeds have different timelines and intensities for teething. Some breeds, such as Labrador Retrievers and Golden Retrievers, have a reputation for being heavy chewers. They often start teething around 3 weeks old and continue until they're about 6 months. On the other hand, smaller breeds like Chihuahuas or Yorkshire Terriers might not be as intense with their chewing, but their teething can stretch out over a longer period, sometimes up to 8 months. Large breeds with powerful jaws like the German Shepherd or the Rottweiler tend to have a more intense teething phase. They need durable chew toys to withstand their strong bite and satisfy their urge to chew. It's essential to remember that these are general guidelines and individual dogs may vary. Knowing your breed's specific needs can help you address their chewing behavior more effectively. Chewing doesn't have to be a constant struggle with your furry friend. Remember, understanding why dogs chew is the first step to solving the issue. Equipping yourself with this knowledge allows you to create an environment that satisfies their chewing needs without sacrificing your belongings. We've also discussed the teething phase in puppies. This is a crucial period in your pup's life when they're exploring the world, and yes, that includes your favorite pair of shoes. But with patience and the right toys, you can guide them through this phase smoothly. And let's not forget, different breeds have different teething timelines. It's essential to understand your breed's specific needs and behaviors to ensure they're getting the proper care. So give these tips a try and witness the transformation in your dog's behavior. It's a journey, but one filled with love and companionship. For more dog training tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more, and thank you for watching.